So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our today's class we'll be discussing 4 different operations of the fractions. So let me upload a worksheet over here real quick. So here's a worksheet. We have few questions available. It involves multiplication, division, addition, and a question of the subtraction. So we have all 4 operations available over here. So we'll be just like jump to the very first question over here that involves multiplication of a fraction. So for this one, that is 1 over 2 multiplied by 19 over 2. So as we discussed last time, whenever we are multiplying fraction, we always go like that way, like numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. We multiply it that way. So it's going to be giving me 1 multiplied by 19, that's 19 itself, and 2 multiplied by 12, that's equivalent to 24. So that was the first question that we just did, and it involves multiplication. So now we have the second question, which involves division over here. So whenever we were performing division, so we were following a rule in which we keep the first fraction the same way, then we change the sign from division to the multiplication, and for the second fraction we reverse it, like we flip it that way. So that's like keep, change, and flip. So we'll be performing the same operation over here. It's going to be like 5 over 4. The division sign is converted into the multiplication sign, and it's going to be 11 divided by 53. So now, as we have multiplication sign available now, so we will go like this way. Numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. 5 multiplied by 11 is 55. And then if I multiply 4 with 53, I will get 212. Alright, so that's done with the division. We have another question over here. So we will be doing the same exact operation. 25 over 9. The division sign will be converted into the multiplication sign, and we will be having a flip over here that way. So it will become 4 over 17. So now if you are multiplying, we will multiply 25 with the 4, that's equivalent to 100. And 9 multiplied by 17, that's equivalent to 153. Alright, so we are done till this part. Now in our next question, we will be performing the addition problem. So here it is, 5 over 2 plus 43 over 17. So as we remember, so in order to convert those questions for the like denominator, what we were usually doing, we were just multiplying both numerator and denominator with the specific numbers, so we can get the common denominator. So like for this one, I'm going to multiply it with the 17 on both sides, so that I can have same denominator for both of them. So 5 multiplied by 17, and then it goes like 5 multiplied by 17 gives us 85, and 2 multiplied by 17 gives us 34. Similarly, if I multiply the second part, 43 multiplied by 2, that's equivalent to 86, and then 17 multiplied by 2, that's equivalent to 34 again. So now as we've got the common denominator, we will just add them together. So 34 will go like that way. We'll just add the numerator, okay? So 85 plus 86, that's equivalent to 171. Now we can even simplify it, or we can easily convert that fraction into a mixed number as well. So for that, what we will be doing, we will just write the numerator inside 171 and denominator outside, which is 34. So if I multiply 34 with the 5, I will get 170. One remainder. So we will write like that way, like 5 itself, and then 1 over 34. So we will be writing it down over here, 5 1 over 34. So that's the conversion from improper fraction or a proper fraction to the mixed number. Now we have a next question over here. That's 3 over 4 multiplied by 13 over 7. So in order to get the common denominator, I'm going to do the same exact process. I will multiply it with the 4 on this side. So 28 and 28 on both sides. So 3 times 7 is 21. And then if I multiply 13 with the 4, I will get 52. So now I have the common denominator over here. So I'm going to put 28 over here. So now 21 plus 52, that's equivalent to 73. You can convert that number into the mixed number as well. You can just put 73 inside and 22 will be outside. Alright, so if I multiply 28 with 4, I will get a big number, that's 112. So if I multiply 28 with the 3, I will get a number that's 84. So if I multiply 28 with the 2, I will get 56. So 28 times 2 is 56, and now 73 minus 56 was like 17. So again we'll be performing the same exact rule. The 2 will be that way, and then 17 over 28. So that's for the addition. Now we'll be performing a question of a multiplication over here. So that's pretty simple. 4 will multiply straight away with the 4, and 19 will multiply straight away with the 1. So that's going to be 19 over 16. And we can do the same exact process over here as well. 19 inside and 16 outside. 16 times 1 is 16. I'll get 3 remainder that way. So that's going to be 3 over 16. Now we have one other question available for addition. 3 over 4. So what I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to multiply with the 11 both ways. So this one I'm going to multiply with the 3. So 3 times 11 is 33. 11 times 4 is 44. So let me check one more thing. I mistakenly multiplied with the 3. Instead of 3, we have to multiply with the 4, okay? Because we need to make the denominator common. So 11 times 4, that's equivalent to 44. And 50 times 4 will be equivalent to 200. So till this part, I hope there will be no confusion. So what I did, I meant for the 3 over 4, in order to make the denominator common, I have multiplied 4 with 11, 3 with 11, so I got 44, okay? And then I multiply 11 with the 4 and 50 with the 4, so I got 44, and on the numerator I got 200. Now I'm going to be processing the same exact operation. I will just add them together. That's like 233 over here. And then if I need to convert it, I'm going to just convert it real quick into a mixed number. So 233 inside and 44, I'm going to write it down outside. So 44 multiplied by 6 is equivalent to 264, which is a big number. So 44 multiplied by 5, that's equivalent to 220. I'm going to multiply with the 5, I'm going to get 220 over here. So 233 minus 220, that's equivalent to 13. So 13 over 44. That's going to be our answer for this one. Now this is one of the questions for the division over here and one of the questions for the subtraction. I will give you these two questions. I will give you a chance to solve these two questions by yourself. So what you need to do is that you have to solve these two questions and then provide me the answer in the comment section, and then I will tell you if your answer is correct or wrong, okay? So if you want to just revise everything, this is the whole thing. We have learned those questions together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 questions. We covered it together, and these two questions I've left to you guys. You guys have to solve it and provide me the answer into the mixed number form, okay? The last answer that you're going to be providing, that should be in a mixed number form. So that's all for today's class. If you guys have not subscribed my YouTube channel, so I will be requesting you to please subscribe it. And if you like the video, if it was helpful, please go ahead and like the video as well. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.